What's up? It is April 30th. It's just cracking dawn here. Just got all set up. It's a pretty decent morning. It's real calm. It rained a little bit last night and it's kind of sprinkling still, but haven't heard anything yet. Had a good day yesterday. Birds were really fired up, and actually had some problems with 5 jakes that decided to hang out with me for about 3 hours and run every tom off that started coming in my area. So actually had another kind of cool thing happen. One of my dad's cows had a calf about 70 yards away from me, so last night, so that was pretty cool to see. But we're hanging in there. I'm gonna hunt this morning probably to about noon, and then I gotta take off, head back home. So hoping to get it done here, get tagged out before May. Well, it's raining. There's a gobbler coming. It's pouring. I just looked down the valley here and there's a long-beard coming right at me, and had a hen with him, but once I got up in the decoys they got spooked and had a pretty decent shot on him and settled in, but hit the blind strap here. I thought I was clear, but going cutting it and I put my arrow down. So. Oh well, I can't get them all. Okay, I waited like an hour after I shot. Oh, I thought I missed that bird. And here, I'll show you. I don't know if you can see my blind back there. Okay, I'm right here where I shot him. I came over here to get my arrow because I only brought 2 arrows. My first mistake of the day. And I wanted to get it because I was going to hunt a couple more hours. And I come over right where I shot him to get my arrow. And I'll try showing you guys. Okay. There's the blind right there. It was about a 32-yard shot. As I'm standing here, he was right here, and he got up and went into here, and he kept flipping forward, and he just looked really hurt, and he got up to here, and I already went down there, and I got down to there, and I tried getting a shot, but there were some limbs in the way here, and he flew up this way down this valley, and I already went down there. I didn't have my camera on there because it was raining, and just found a bunch of blood, so I'm gonna go down there and show you what I found. Just sit tight for me. Alright, so where I pointed at, where I saw him run into, I came over here. And this is what I saw over here. It's been raining, so this is kind of... I saw all this blood in here. And right here. And this is where he ran up. That's all blood right there. And he came, and he was in here, and he must have. Look at this. I thought I was tracking a deer. All this blood in here, and he got up in here. Okay, so then he comes down here. Whoa. And all this blood, it's washing away because it's... this log here, and about this last spot is where I last saw him fly off. So I don't know if I hit him, what I hit, and it was way low because it hit that blind. But as you can see here, this is about the thickest draw of the property, and they like to dig in tight. So I'm gonna cut this off because I'm gonna start looking. I gotta look for him. He can't be very far. He's bleeding pretty good, so cross my fingers here. I'm gonna give it a shot here. Wow, look what I found. Long beard. Oh man, that was crazy. I walked up and down this draw I last showed you, looking under every log I could look under, in brush piles. Did not find anything. Like I said earlier, it flew up, so I lost the blood trail. So I was working back and forth, kind of doing a grid search. I got to go back home today, so I had to get going. So I had to stop looking, and I went back to the house to get the four-wheeler because I have a ton of gear I got to pack up out of here. And I came back and actually grabbed my Lab Dakota. She's been in her kennel all day, just to run her and get her out before we leave. And I was like, I'm gonna go through this one creek bottom I haven't gone up through yet. And I literally park the four-wheeler and I get off and I walk maybe 20 yards and I about stepped on him. He was behind this log and he ran 100 miles an hour into the thickest brush, thorn bush. Even a cottontail wouldn't even go in. And of course I ran right after him. And Dakota was wondering what the hell I was doing. And I want to show you what happened. My initial shot, let me turn this around here. Right here is all I hit him. And about cut his leg off with the broadhead. And that's what made all that blood come out. And when he ran in there to that pile, I could tell he was hurt bad. And he got caught, it was so thick in there, he actually got caught up. And I think he got a branch got in between his cut there and hung his foot up and he couldn't get out of there, and I dove on top of him. And it felt like I was fist fighting him for a while. And I actually made the mistake of stepping on his fan and he ripped about half it out, but that's okay, I got plenty of fans. But that was a cool hunt, and that just goes to show you, don't give up, do your best to get it. Get the animal that you shot. So that was cool. I'm tagged out, and still a couple weeks left of the season, and I know my wife still has an archery tag, so we'll probably be back at it. But just happy you found him here, and it'll be good eating. That was cool. Hope you enjoy the hunt.